Alexa, open bedroom shades.
Opening guest bedroom shades.
SmartWings makes beautiful, high-quality blinds and shades which are fashionable and preferred. Expert reviewers have given SmartWings window treatments the title of Best Smart Shades Overall, unquote. Furthermore, SmartWings has been given a near excellent Trustpilot rating. Discover the reasons for SmartWings' amazing reputation in the SmartWings window treatment niche. Welcome back to Bud's Smart Home. My name is Bud. SmartWings recently sent me these two Matter-powered thread-based shades. I elected to install these Noah honeycomb shades in our guest bedroom. We'll be taking a closer look at these shades. We'll address available styles, fabric options, the ordering process, accessories, shade mounting, and smart app setup. I'll then provide my overall opinion of these shades. Speaking of opinion, SmartWings did provide these shades in exchange for my opinion, and that's exactly what I'll provide, my straightforward opinion, which is not subject to review or approval by SmartWings. Also know that I'm an affiliate for SmartWings and Amazon, and as such, I may receive a small commission from any sale that is generated from the provided product links. Since your willingness to use my links rests on an accurate portrayal of the products I feature, I always try to provide an honest and thorough assessment. By the way, the use of my product links does not increase your cost. It does, however, help me defray the expenses of content creation. Thank you for your support. In prior episodes, I have reviewed the SmartWings Blackout roller shades, which I installed in my kitchen. I also reviewed the SmartWings outdoor roller shades that were added to our back porch. These window treatments and shades have proven to be reliable and durable, and we consider them a great complement to our home. SmartWings is the first company to implement Matter technology across its entire line of smart motorized window treatments. This Matter compatibility allows seamless integration with prominent smart home platforms such as Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, Habitat, and SmartThings. SmartWings motorized window treatments are custom made to your specifications. The cost of these window treatments is comparable with other smart home non-motorized window treatments. SmartWings blinds and shades are made with durable and attractive fabrics. They are constructed with sturdy metal head rails and bottom rails. SmartWings shades are also protected with a remarkable 3-year warranty on motors and controls, and they provide free shipping on all orders worldwide with no minimum. The shades are offered in various light filtering levels to include 50, 70, and 100% light filtering. The 100% blackout shades are ideal for daytime sleepers and media room applications. The shades are equipped with a lithium-ion battery which provides a cordless design that is safer for children and pets. The rechargeable battery will supply power to the shades for 4 to 6 months of daily operation. The motor is fairly quiet, operating at less than 35 decibels. As one of several expert testimonies, ZDNet has dubbed SmartWings window treatments as the best smart shades overall. SmartWings window treatments were compared to several other leading smart shade brands in a May 4, 2023 ZDNet article titled The Best Smart Blinds. The author verified that SmartWings blinds and shades were highly rated in the categories of value for the money, quality, and compatibility options. ZDNet is a business technology news website that explores the latest innovations to help consumers benefit from cutting-edge technology. Trustpilot hosts an online review platform where consumers rate a purchase or service experience and write a corresponding product review. Customers have given SmartWings a near excellent Trustpilot score of 4.8 out of 5. An astounding 81% of customers give SmartWings a 5-star rating. This is convincing evidence of SmartWings' unparalleled product quality and customer service. Having worked with the SmartWings team for over 2 years, I can personally attest to the quality of their products and service. Let's take a look at the SmartWings ordering process. The SmartWings website can be accessed at smartwingshome.com. SmartWings has an ever-expanding line of window treatments and accessories to include roller shades, honeycomb shades, zebra shades, woven wood shades, outdoor shades, hardwired shades, and drapery. They also will provide fabric samples to ensure that the color and fabric of your selected window treatment complements your home's decor. Once you select the type and style of your shade or blind, you'll next select the fabric color. This is where those fabric samples can be helpful. Next, you'll include the mounting type. Do you want to mount your shades inside or outside the window frame? If your windows have a shallow frame, then you'll need to select the outside mount. If you have deep window wells, then the inside frame mount may be preferable. You must then measure and record the measurements of your window openings. SmartWings provides a detailed guide for window measurements so that you can achieve the perfect fitting shades. With your measurements entered and verified, you'll then select a motor type. Motor types include standard, which is controlled solely with the multi-channel remote, or you can select one of several smart home wireless controlled motors to include the protocols of Zigbee, Alexa, Z-Wave Plus, HomeKit over Thread, or Matter over Thread. The Matter over Thread motor is the one that I selected for my shades. All SmartWings motors can be controlled via the optional multi-channel remote. This gives your guest the ability to control the shades without having specific knowledge of voice commands. Next, you'll need to consider the optional solar panel. My experience is that the motor's charge lasts nearly 6 months with daily opening and closing. So if you don't mind attaching a charging cable once every 6 months, then a solar panel is unnecessary. I did install solar panels for these bedroom shades, and I also have solar panels with watertight connectors on my outdoor shades. Next, you'll consider the need for a remote controller. Your options are none, 5-channel, 15-channel, or a Helix 8-channel remote. The multi-channel remotes let you control your shades individually or as a group. The Helix controller allows you to conveniently dial the shade to a specific percentage opening. Next, you'll indicate which side of the shade you want your motor installed. My preference is for the right side, being that I'm right-handed. And lastly, you'll have the option to add room labels to each purchased shade. This helps ensure proper shade placement, assuming you order multiple shades. The SmartWings NOAA light filtering honeycomb shades we received were nicely packaged. The box contents included easy-to-understand installation pamphlets, a 5-channel remote, charging cables, mounting brackets, fasteners, solar panels, and a glove and tool kit to aid in mounting. SmartWings provides clear installation instructions which made it easy for me to mount my shade. The shade mounting brackets are designed with channel spring clips that fasten to the track on the rear of the shade housing. Once you mount the provided brackets on the wall surface, the shade is easily snapped into place. Once the shade is mounted, you must exit sleep mode by waking the motor. To wake the motor, hold the programming button on the motor head until the motor jogs just once. To begin pairing of your shade, just press the motor head programming button for 6 seconds until the motor jogs twice. Then release the button. The solid red light indicates that you have entered pairing mode. To add these Matter shades to SmartThings, just open your SmartThings app and the app will automatically discover the shade. The app will then request that you manually enter or scan the Matter QR code. If you're using an iPhone, the app will first set up your device within your iCloud account. After iCloud setup, your device will connect your shades to your SmartThings hub and register it with your SmartThings account. If you have the Alexa app connected to SmartThings as your dedicated voice assistant, the shades will automatically be added to the Alexa app as well. Using the provided remote, you can now test the pre-programmed upper and lower limits. If adjustments are required, just follow the easy instructions for adjusting the shade limits. Now let's discuss opportunities for shade improvement. I don't know if you noticed, but I characterized the shade motors as fairly quiet. Although I would not call the motors noisy, they are loud enough that you would notice them in a quiet bedroom setting, especially when operating 2 blinds simultaneously. If SmartWings could lower the motor noise, this would be a welcomed improvement. The second item would go into the category of missing accessories. Although my shades were supplied with USB-C charging cables, there were no charging bricks included. I realized that most smart homes have 1 or more chargers lying around. However, I was concerned with having the proper voltage brick when charging my shades. I reviewed the pamphlets and was not able to confirm the appropriate voltage specs for the charging brick. I was fortunate to have 2 SmartWings charging bricks from my former blind kit, and I used them to charge my shades. Although I did not have this next issue, Some customers with inside frame mounted blackout shades expressed concern about light bleeding around the sides of the blinds. This sometimes happens despite one's best effort to fit the blind properly within the window well. SmartWings actually has a solution for this problem. SmartWings makes side tracks that block the light along the sides of the blackout shades. They come with magnetic strips so that the light blocking tracks can be removed and then reattached as needed. Removal of the side tracks may be necessary when removing screens or when tilting your windows inward for cleaning. Lastly, let's discuss the elephant in the room. Cost is one of the biggest deciding factors when buying window treatments. Custom window shades are no doubt costly, and the quantity of accessories that you add can cause the price to rise very quickly. Although the cost of SmartWings motorized shades is comparable to non-motorized window treatments, the cost for standard vinyl box door Venetian blinds is much less. For some, standard box door Venetian blinds are the ideal solution. Keep in mind, when you decide that you want to purchase smart blinds, it should be an investment that you'll be able to enjoy for years to come. SmartWings blinds are built to last, and they are priced accordingly. If you are still watching, I must assume that you are a serious buyer interested in motorized smart shades. So, should you invest in SmartWings shades? If you're the sort of person that seeks the least costly blind or shade and you shy away from technology, then a simple manual shade will likely be your best window treatment solution. However, if you are seeking the convenience of a stylish, reliable, and easy to install smart shade that can be controlled by a remote, a smart routine, or with voice commands, then I would have no hesitation in recommending SmartWings. They are an attractive, well-constructed, easy to install solution for your smart home. Bottom line, SmartWings is first in class, offering a wide variety of smart blinds and shades that are sure to complement your home. Alexa, close bedroom shades.
Closing guest bedroom shades.
So that's it for this episode. Thank you for stopping in. Until next time, stay smart and stay connected.